Imagine spending years and thousands of dollars securing a trademark or a patent, only to find out your rights are vulnerable because of a forgotten annual form you forgot to file with Secretary of State's office. It happens far more often than you think. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Mark Trenner, a patent and trademark attorney. Today, we're talking about a silent threat to your intellectual property. And like I said, it actually starts with the Secretary of State's office. Here's a scenario I encounter all too often in my practice. The business owner reaches out to me to file a trademark renewal or pay an upcoming patent maintenance fee. They've done the right thing from the start. Their valuable patent or trademark registration is held under their LLC or corporation. But when I go to submit the paperwork, I always run a routine search of the state business registry first. And that's when I discover the business entity is listed as delinquent or defunct. Now let's pause for a quick second. In this video, I'm not going to debate whether you should hold your intellectual property in your personal name or under a corporate entity. For trademarks, the registration this is required by law, must be in the name of the business or person actually selling the products or services unless it's licensed. For patents, there's no such requirement, but there could be legal and tax reasons to assign those rights to a business. But those reasons are a separate topic all onto themselves, and one I'll save for another video some other time. Today's focus is simple. If you do decide to register your trademark under your business or assign your patent rights to a holding company, you must keep up with your Secretary of State business filings. In many states like Colorado, where many of my business clients are registered, you are required to file an annual report or update. It's a simple online form and a relatively small fee payment, but it is easy to forget when you're busy running your own business. When you miss it, the state flags your LLC or corporation as delinquent. Why is this dangerous? Well, many reasons. But for your patent or trademark, it means that these are now owned by a legally inactive entity. If a competitor infringes on your trademark, or if you need to defend your patent, the delinquent status can open you up to more challenges. Opposing lawyers often look for any weakness they can find, and they can use this lapse to challenge your intellectual property ownership or delay your lawsuit against them. Likewise, if you're trying to sell your company or secure funding, a delinquent business entity is a red flag that can stall a deal. The good news here is that this is usually a simple thing to correct. Most states do allow you to file the past updates, pay a fee, and reinstate your status to good standing. But as the saying goes, prevention is always better than the cure. Because I work one-on-one with my clients, I don't just look at your trademark or patent in isolation. I look at your overall business health to ensure you're protected from every angle, and that's why I check these Secretary of State filings. But as a business owner, you should too. If you want a patent or trademark attorney to look over your intellectual property ownership and make sure everything is secure, visit my website or contact me directly using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward legal tips to protect your business.